Hello, Catherine March, the vegan artist, back with another episode of easy vegan foods that everybody will like. Today, we're going to do just a really quick drunken pasta. Drunken because we use a lot of wine. All right, so I've got my pasta parboiling. What you do is you bring your water to a boil. Always go ahead and add your salt. So once it bubbles, put your pasta in. Let it cook for about 5 to 7 minutes until it's not done. You want it to be still hard because we're going to finish cooking it in the wine. All right, so I'm going to turn on the stove to a medium heat. I have some oil in here. This is going to be quick. First thing we do is we saute some onions. This takes a little bit of time. Get these sauteing. All right, so I've got my onions all diced and cooking up in my olive oil. So to that, I bought some of these cute little grape tomatoes. These are so nice. We'll just kind of put them right in there so they can kind of cook up. Let's let those cook. Oh yeah. Oh baby, these are going to cook up nicely. Then I'm going to add some mushrooms. All right, so we're going to get those all nice and cooking. We're going to hang out and let these cook for a few minutes, and then we'll go on from there. Okay, so you want to let your onions brown. Get your mushrooms in there. Get your little tomatoes. Then we're going to put some garlic in there. I love to smash garlic. It's so fun. Get a good smash. And you get the skins right off of it. Save the skins. I always save the skins of garlic, the skins of onions, the ends of carrots and celery. Throw them all in a big bag. And then once I have quite a bit, I put them in a pan with water, and I just cook it up, and I have a wonderful vegetable stock. It goes a little bit chunky, but that's okay. I think I'm going to throw in one more. Oh wait, I didn't get all of this one. That'll be enough. All right. Now this dish, a lot of times I'll do it with basil, but it's early. I don't have basil yet, but I got a lot of oregano in my garden. So when you get the oregano, it kind of comes on the stem. You just kind of go backwards with it. And there it is. I am not even going to chop it. I am just going to put it right in this dish. We're going to just cook everything up a couple more minutes. Let it just get a little bit more sauteed. See how, I'm not sure if you can see this, but you see how the tomatoes are starting to cook? You can actually use the back of your spoon, kind of break them up. We're going to let it cook just a couple more minutes, break a few more of those up. All right. Then comes the drunken part. Get a decent glass or bottle of red wine, and you want about 2 cups, I'm guessing. Kind of cook it down in there. So now, oh my gosh, I wish you could smell this. It smells so good. So now your pasta is only half cooked. So we're going to take it out of the pasta water. We're going to put it right into the drunken pan with all of that delicious wine. And we're going to let it finish cooking in the red wine. So what it's going to do is it's going to soak up all that delicious red wine goodness. I think I'm going to add a little bit more. Oh yeah, this is a wonderful dish. And it's going to turn a bright red color. And we're going to have a wonderful pasta dish. All right, I think that's enough. Here we go. All right, we're going to stir this around, get it all covered, get all that nice red wine in there. All right. So what I'm going to do, I think I'm going to add just a little bit more red wine. I said 2 cups, maybe 3. Just depends on how much pasta you have in there. All right, then I and we're gonna let it cook for about another 5-10 minutes. All right, now this has been cooking a little bit. Do you see how all the pastas just kind of soaked up that wine? So we just simply dish it up. I also have a little bit of walnuts, lightly toasting. Oh, and we're gonna garnish it with that. Oh, this is so pretty. Look at how that's coming out. We've got all of the delicious tomatoes just popping right out of there. All right, got that. I think I'm gonna garnish it with a little bit of oregano right on top. And then I've toasted some walnuts. Just gonna toss a little bit of that on top. And voila, we have a delicious, easy, drunken pasta that everyone will like, regardless of whether they're vegan or not. So, don't forget, my book, The Vegan Artist, Plant-Based 101, will be coming out hopefully August of 2020. That's my goal. And now that we're on a YouTube channel, please like my YouTube channel and join my YouTube channel. Go ahead and subscribe below. Thank you very much. Bon appetit.